With Classroom Notes app, you can start taking your first notes in seconds. First, we'll demonstrate in real time just how fast you can start a note with Class Notes app. Then we'll show you a more in-depth explanation of what we just did later in this video. Now watch this. Go! Congratulations! That's how quickly you can get started taking notes. Now we'll explain what we just did in more detail. Start by opening the Class Notes app. The first time you use the app, it will open to a ready-to-use Cornell Notes Complete Organizer. For step 1, you'll select a course title from the menu choices. For this demonstration, we're using one of the pre-existing categories from the pull-down menu. Here, we're selecting the English course title. Class Notes app uses a 3-step, no-fail process to keep your notes consistently organized in your personalized custom filing system. By setting up each of your notes with a course title, a topic title, and then either lecture or reading title, you'll always keep your notes consistently organized without fail. In step 2, you will be directed to enter a topic title. Here we're selecting the assignment's topic title. In step 3, you'll select either a lecture or a reading. We're selecting lecture because today's demonstration class is a lecture. Next, your keyboard will appear for you to enter a title for your lecture. We're entering verbs because the title of today's lecture is on verbs. After we finish steps 1, 2, and 3, we can now begin taking our lecture notes in the record section. Congratulations! You have started your first class note, A+. By starting each of your notes with these 3 no-fail steps, you'll always be able to easily save, find, search, and access all of your notes in your very own personalized filing system, the library. The library and how to save your note videos may be found on our YouTube channel. Better notes equal better grades. Check out our other videos to see how the Class Notes app can help you get better grades.